Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and feel that you want to learn. This channel is for everyone who would want to get a distinction in maths, either in secondary or even in colleges. So guys, welcome as we do this problem. So I read the problem and it says, the table below represents polynomial fx which is cubic and an error in one of the entry is suspected. Use a finite difference table to locate and correct the error. Hence by Newton, Gregory, sometimes it's also called Gregory Newton, most of the times, for difference interpolation formula determine, you are supposed to determine that, guys. So before we go to that, guys, we are saying that one of these entries here, the entries that has been entered is incorrect. These entries, that is fx, there are some that are incorrect. Actually, they are saying it is one of the entries. And so let's find out which entry is incorrect. So I have drawn a table here, guys. This is now the table. And now we are going to fill up this table. And it's a table that is used for Newton-Gregory forward difference interpolation. We usually use this kind of a table. And so we fill it up now, guys. So what we do, here we have x and then we have fx. This is the first derivative and then we have the second and the third. So when we come here, guys, we usually subtract this value from this, so that now we shall say minus 7 minus 21. So whatever value we get, we write here. We come to this value the same way, minus 3 minus 7. We write the value here. The same case with all others. So guys, let's start and see what now happens. We'll say negative 7 minus 21. That one will give us now 14. We put our 14 there, like that. We come negative 3 minus 7. This one now will give us 4, like that. We also now come to minus 3 minus 3. That one will give us 0. We now come to this one, 1 minus 3. That one will now give us 4, like that. So we come to this other figure, 9 minus 1. That is going to give us, sorry, it's 9 minus 1. It's going to give us 8. Then we come to 33 minus 9. That will give us 24 there. Then we have 77 minus 33, which is 44, like that. And then 147 minus 77, which is now 70. So guys, that is how we fill the first column. Coming to the next column, guys, we still do the same thing. We say 4 minus 14, that is minus 10, like that. From here we come and say 0 minus 4 is minus 4, like that. Then we continue. 4 minus 0, this one will give us 4. I believe it's like that. Then we come 8 minus 4, this one will give us 4. Come here and say 24 minus 8. This one gives us 16. And then 44 minus 24, this one gives us now 20. And finally here 70 minus 44. That will give us 26. So guys, that is how we now deal with the second derivative. Coming to the third derivative, which is our last derivative, we still do the same. Minus 4 minus minus 10. That gives us 6 for that. We come to this one. 4 minus minus 4. That one gives us 8. Like that. Then we come to this one, guys. 4 minus 4. That is 0. We come to this one. 16 minus 4. That is 12. And then come to this. 20 minus 16. That is 4. And then 26 minus 20. That is 6. So guys, that is how we do it. And now guys, this is now where the problem is. For this last row guys, we are supposed to get the same result. That is, if it is 6, we get all of 6. If it is 8, the same 0 or 12 or 4. But now if we look at it, you find that we have a 6 here and we have a 6 here. It means guys that now we are supposed to get all of them to be 6. So here we are supposed to have, let me write 6. This one is supposed now to be 6 like that. And this one is supposed to be 6 like that. The same case with this is supposed to be 6. For us to be correct, here we put 6 and this one is obviously 6. So guys, now we can go backward. Just as we were saying guys that when you come here you say 26 minus 20 you get 6. So it means that 20 plus 6 is 26. So when I come here, then I should say 16 plus 4 is supposed to give me 20. But now since we have 6 here, then there is something wrong. So what do we do with that? 20 we know it is correct because it's what it has given us 6 here. So what we do now guys, because for us to get 16, you say 20 minus 4, you get 16. Now you are going to say 20 minus 6, so that now you get 14. So here we are going to have 14 as our correction for that. For this one guys, if we say 4 plus 12, we got 16, which was wrong. Instead, we had to use now, we are now going to use these two figures now to get our value here. Because when you say 16 minus 12, you get 4. So now you're going to say 14 minus 6, you get 8. Now, this is now our 8 now, guys. So the same way we have said here, 14 minus 6 is 8. Then we shall still say the same thing here. That is 8 minus 6. This one will give us now 2. So we continue to correct. So we continue. For this one, guys, just like if you look at this, 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So this one will now be, for this one you can see, minus 4 plus 6 is 2. So this one we are now correct for that. Now we continue to this row, guys. Maybe we can start from here now. 70 minus 26, we get 44. 44 minus 20, you get 24. Then you come here and say 24 minus 14. This one then you are going to get 10. So we are correcting. The same case when we come here, guys. 10 minus 8, then you get 2 here. Like that. Guys, we continue. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we can say that that one is okay. So we now come to this, guys. That is where now we have 9 minus, instead of 9 minus 8 you get 1. You say 9 minus 10. This one you get negative 1, like that. Coming to this one, negative 1 minus 2, you get negative 3. So guys, now you have come to your solution, because this is what now we were looking for. Remember, I had drawn it, this one again, of x and fx, and fx is where the error was. So now guys, our error is right here. because if you go to the rest like -1 -2, you get that one. -3 -0, you get that. -3 -4, you get that. So this is our error, guys, as you can see here. And so, guys, still we have not finished. But guys, for you to be able now to do this other question, guys, you'd have to look at my next video. So guys, thank you. Tomorrow we shall be able to solve these two problems. So that is how now you get to correct your error. So the error was actually at this point here where we have 1. This one was supposed now to be -1. And so guys, thank you so much for listening to me. See you next time as we continue with the same problem. Bye bye.